And welcome back to my channel. You're welcome. This is my friend Brandon, and I will link all of his socials down below. You should definitely give him a follow. Today we're going to be doing a voiceover / reacting to my first Halloween video, which I've like very sloppily edited, and you haven't seen. You don't know what it's about.
Your first video?
Yeah.
No.
This one I'm putting up tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, good.
Let's get into it. Please work. It's babe.
Sweet.
Yes, she's tiny.
Oh.
I know. I use this liquid latex and it's spilled everywhere.
Yep.
I'm taking a sponge and I'm putting it on my face.
Pretty standard stuff.
Yeah, so I'm putting it all over. And this is...
Ooh, some toilet paper.
Yeah, okay, this is what went wrong though, because when you use toilet paper, it like rips on your skin.
Oh, like when you're taking it off?
Yeah, so tissue's thinner. I like pulled the plies away, but tissue's thinner, so when I actually remove this, which you'll see later, it hurts so bad.
Ooh.
It pulled some of my eyebrow hair out.
Oh, great.
So that's a little tip for me to you if you're doing this, and I feel like a lot of people are like, oh, liquid latex. Don't use something that's thick. Use like a nice, like, no-name one ply. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So then how do you take liquid latex off? I'm sure you've talked about it before, but...
I literally just peel it.
But like, how are you supposed to?
Oh, you're supposed to take like a warm cloth that's been like steaming and put it on your face and let that kind of like lift the latex from your skin.
Okay,
and
gotcha.
then use like a remover to remove it.
Okay.
With a brush.
So just like not what you're willing to do. No time for that.
I like peeling it. I'm also bringing it down my neck, which I didn't need to do because this look, I literally, for my photo, I was like hunched over, so you couldn't even see my neck.
Great.
But if you're going out for Halloween, you should do that.
Yeah.
That's a great idea.
Okay, so just still going at it.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
Wasn't this a good idea?
I think so.
Okay, these sticks. They're called the sticks, the cream sticks. I just chose 3 colors. They're like
healthy dose.
Yeah, well, it has to go over my neck and my chest. I like these because they don't like stink. Like some like cream stink, like old women.
Oh, really?
These smell nice. These
Okay,
have a nice
good.
scent to them.
Okay, so what you got? A white.
I got a white. I got like a pale muted green, like sea foam, and then a blue.
Oh, okay.
And I'm just picking it up on. I'm ruining that Real Technique brush that I got for free, and I'm putting it all over my face because I put down the latex for texture.
So are you like, what's the look you're going for? Like, are you a cement? Like, are you a gargoyle?
I don't know, you have to guess.
Oh, okay, that's the point. I get it. Okay.
You have to guess what I mean.
Okay.
What do you think I am?
I feel like you're gonna be like a statue or like...
That's a good guess.
Okay.
That's a good guess. I'm just putting it all over so I have like some like texture and color because I put the liquid latex and the tissue everywhere. Ooh, this is a neat little trick with these cream colors or with any cream. If you mix it with alcohol, it like waters it down so it's like a thin paint. So you can like change the like texture of the product.
Okay.
So I'm doing that with all these colors.
To make them really thin.
Yeah, and then I'm putting it on a toothbrush and speckling it, and it's all over my wall now. You can see some green.
Yeah, I see that there. Is that the... Okay, never mind.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm just speckling it in green and white and blue, although just to like create some dimensions.
Okay.
For the gargoyle.
Oh, yes!
Gargoyle! It's not a gargoyle. Wait, I don't know if it is or not. See how
Bitch, it better be.
I'm contouring. I'm becoming a skinny legend. I'm becoming a skinny legend. Isn't it? Oh yeah. Oh, this is a nice pencil.
I mean, like, your skin looks so good. What do you use for skincare?
Honestly, a baby wipe.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I just take some dish soap.
Oh, you know what? That's really popular. I know a couple girls who use some dish soap.
Yeah, I've heard it. Or, like, you mix some olive oil in there too. Anything in the kitchen, really. And then, you know, have you ever used coconut oil to moisturize?
Not personally. However, I know a lot of people do.
Oh! Well, that's how I removed this black tattoo liner by Maybelline I'm putting on my eyes.
Great! I sure fucking hope so.
Don't I look sad now? Do I look depressed? And
so sad. Oh yeah, get there.
I don't know why I did my nose.
Well, because it's a shadow, no?
It looks like I'm a panda.
Maybe you're a panda gargoyle.
Oh, I'm trying to find a brush now. Oh. Do you think I'm a panda gargoyle?
You could be.
Well.
Is that just like so wrong?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
Am I
not.
crying?
Yeah, I'm sad.
No.
Yeah. I cried. I've been sad. I'm using that makeup from a cream paint and it just like was not working. I was like, what do I do?
Yeah, I can't wait to see what you like start.
The brush was too thick.
Oh, okay.
See?
I can see that.
So I'm like, oh fuck, I guess I'll just do the rest. And
Gotta commit.
Yeah. Look at me. I'm like, ooh, I don't know about this. Do you know what I am yet?
Nope. No. You're gonna. Yeah, no. I have no idea.
I don't know what I am either. I don't know what it is. I saw this picture of this like statue doll thing from the head up and I was like, oh, I want to recreate that.
Okay.
So it's kind of like inspo from that. So I'm just taking that brush and everywhere. And I was mixing it with alcohol too to make it like thinner.
Oh, nice.
Wait.
Oh, are you like?
I switched my brush.
Okay.
I got a thinner brush. Am I what?
I was gonna say you're like some sort of like pumpkin.
See, that would have made sense if I was orange.
But like you could be a rotting pumpkin.
Like a pumpkin.
Or maybe you're a tree. Are you a tree?
Yes.
Ooh.
I'm a money tree.
A money tree?
Yeah, I'm a money tree.
Okay, that's for the green, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
I know. Oh yeah. This
Okay.
is a ride. This is a ride. This is why.
This is why you covered your neck. You were like, we're just not gonna show her.
I just needed like a thinner paint, and I just wasn't willing to get up and get a container to mix it in. So I was just like, oh fuck. I was like,
Oh my god, I love how it's just like you don't even want to show the process. You're
well,
just like, well.
That's because iMovie's full screen, and it kind of like when I speed up a clip super fast, it'll like break.
Oh, okay.
So on YouTube, it'll be like just a fast
Smooth.
motion. Yeah. Ooh, look at how skinny I am.
Yes, skinny. Oh, so skinny. You want one of these? Oh, it's gonna be so skinny.
Touch the
Yeah.
skinny. Oh, and now I'm contouring with it a bit because I need to look a little spookier, a little creepier. And I just zhuzhed my hair up, and that's what I am.
Just a quick fluff. Okay, so where's the money?
I am the money. Don't
Okay.
you see? And that's that. Do you like it?
I mean, yeah, no, you did such a good job. But like, I never would have guessed a money tree. I literally guessed a statue, a pumpkin, and then a tree.
Oh, I'm saying something.
Oh, I hope it's so funny. Better be.
Who am I talking to? Am I talking to you?
Oh, maybe.
Maybe I'm singing.
Yes. Ooh, yes.
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Oh!
Yeah, she's feeling it.
Those are the parts
that
that I like. You know, your like beauty montage.
Oh, I know. Oh, here we go.
Oh yeah, and then I filmed me removing it, and it hurt so bad. This is when I took out my eyebrow. It hurt so bad.
But like, I feel like it would almost like hurt so good. Like, it would be like satisfying. I feel like wearing that would be so uncomfortable.
Honestly, usually, but then I was filming on Snapchat and it was like ripping my skin off because
Oh.
the toilet paper was so thick that the latex just like adhered it to my skin and it was terrible.
Okay.
So I get what people mean when they're like, oh, it hurts when I take that off, because like you need to use something that's like super thin and like doesn't have any of those like dotting in it, just like a piece of paper.
I feel like the removal is almost just as important as the application, no?
You think this is educational?
I didn't say educational. I said like important. You have to be careful. Your skin. It's like crying out. It's making me so sad.
Yeah.
Cute.
Yeah, okay, bye! That's it.
That's it.
Look at my poor self.
Oh no. You just have like so much work still to do.
Oh, that's when I pulled it out. Oh, it was so painful, bitch.
Oh, I believe that.
It was so painful. But I couldn't find my tissue, so that was like the only thing I could use.
Which is your toilet paper?
It was so thick and it hurt so bad. It hurt so bad.
you got it done.
I got it done. Now I can upload it.
Okay, good.
Isn't that exciting?
Yeah.
Great. Good. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh no, I had this stupid piece of